As engineers, we often need to understand the energy implications of mass changes in nuclear processes, particle physics applications, or theoretical calculations. This E=mc² calculator instantly converts between mass and energy using Einstein's famous equation, helping you quantify the enormous energy potential locked within matter. The calculator has two input modes. For mass input, enter your value in kilograms. Even tiny masses yield huge energies. A single gram of matter contains about 90 trillion joules. Nuclear reactor fuel pellets typically contain 5 grams of uranium, while particle accelerator experiments might work with masses as small as 10 to the minus 27 kilograms for subatomic particles. For energy input, enter joules to find the equivalent mass. Nuclear power plants release around 200 MeV per fission event, roughly 3.2 times 10 to the minus 11 joules. The Hiroshima bomb released approximately 63 trillion joules, equivalent to just 0.7 grams of matter converted to energy. Let's calculate a real example. A typical nuclear reactor converts 1 gram of uranium-235 per day through fission. Enter 0.001 kilograms in the mass field. The calculator shows this equals 9 times 10 to the 13 joules. That's 90 trillion joules, enough energy to power 30,000 homes for a full day. Your output shows both the converted value and the equation used. Use these results for reactor design calculations, particle physics energy budgets, or theoretical efficiency limits in energy systems. Remember that real processes never achieve 100% mass-to-energy conversion. Even nuclear reactions typically convert less than 1% of the mass involved. Find the link in the description below.